Hello again. I wanted to make a quick video showing how to fix the issue that my last video did not address. You need to make. It does seem like the best solution is to make a copy of your Vice seams, and it is a bit of a tedious process, but I'll show you how to do it. First thing is double click on your character so it turns orange. We need to find where the FBX is. You can find that by going to the mesh, clicking on that, and I'll actually highlight where it is. It's this icon right here. Right click, show and explore, and I already have Blender open, but this is what I'm looking for. FBX file, drag and drop it into Blender, and just import. We actually don't need to worry about that. I'm going to press H to hide it, and I'm going to zoom in. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on this weird green upside down triangle, and here's all of our shape keys. And what we need to do is copy these ones. Anything that are your I got a cat, sorry. Anything that is your Vice seams. And you kind of have to do it one at a time. What you're going to do is increase the value, click this little drop down, new shape key, and it will. I'm going to paste this and put probably a 2 in front of it so that I know it's the new one. And I'm going to do that for all the shape keys, but you will have to go back down to that because what this will do is it will copy all the shape keys that are active. So if you have two shape keys active, you're going to make a new shape key that is a combination of both of them. But if you look, I can just move this up, and it is a duplication of that shape key. And you just go down the list until you have it all done. And then when you're doing your animation, or if you're doing your setup in Unity, you have to make the choice of your avatar descriptor of if you're going to be using the ones with the number 2 in it or the original ones, the ones that it defaults to. And then when you're going into your whatever you don't use, when you go into your lip sync to animation, you're going to type in the 2 in there basically for all that, and that will fix the issue so you'll still be able to talk. Anyway, that is going to be the end of the video for today. Oh, actually I should probably talk a little bit more. The best way to actually update this is because this isn't going to be like a completely broken character. You're going to export this FBX. You'll need the armature and the mesh. Actually, I wonder if you even need the armature. I won't test it now, but you want to make sure not to add the leaf bones. I'm going to put this on my desktop. And I have a lot on my desktop. Sorry about that. New blend shapes FBX. And in Unity, all I need to do is drag our new blend shapes into the Unity project. And what I can do is just click on the body. Sometimes this works, I'm going to be honest, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But I'm going to grab this body, which has the little grid on it, the mesh. And I'm going to drag it into this body, the mesh. And yeah, it did not work. Sometimes this works. I wish I knew more of why it doesn't, but basically we have our new mesh right here, and if you go down we will have the new Vice seams as well. Now it does seem to do a lighting effect. VRChat will automatically fix that. It'll say that the blend shapes are imported using the legacy method from Blender, and it'll say that it wants it auto fix, and you just click yes. Anyway, that should be it. Take care. Bye.